is Aula Yasmin and my student number is 2020-32081, and today I want to share a simple Unity 2D game project that I made. In this project, I create a bird character that can move left, right, jump, and even flip its face depending on the direction it's moving. The goal is to learn the basic 2D movement, psychics, and scripting in Unity using G-Sharp. I will get you through how I built the game, from setting up the scene and game objects to writing the script and testing the final result. Let's get started. So the first one is scene setup. I started by creating a simple 2D scene. There are three main objects in the scene: the ground, where the bird stands and walks; the second one is the bird character, which is the main player; and the last one is a house, which is an obstacle that the bird can walk through. Each object has specific component added in Inspector. And the bird game object is Sprite Wanderer to show the image of the bird, rigid body 2D so the bird can fall and jump using psychics. And the last one is Box Collider 2D to detect collision with the ground or the house. And I create an empty game object under the bird named Ground Check. This object is placed below the bird and used to check if it's on the ground. And for the ground, I use simple sprite as the ground and added a Box Collider 2D to make it solid so the bird doesn't fall through. And for the house also has a Box Collider 2D, so when the bird touches it, it stops. The bird can pass through. And for the inspector value, in the bird script, I set the value like this, like the speed is 20 and the jump power is 15. This makes the bird move quickly and jump high enough. And now let's go over to the code I wrote in the bird script. This script is attached to the bird game object, and the variable is, the first one is speed, is for movement speed, and the next one is jump power, is for control how strong the jump is. The next one is jump, store the rigid body 2D component, and the next one is grounded, is for check whether the bird is on the ground or not. And the next one is ground layer, is the layer used to define what count as a ground. And the next one is ground check, is for a transom used to detect ground beneath the bird. And the next one is check radius, it sets how big the detection area is. And the next one is flip, is for tracking which direction the bird is facing. And the last one is direction, is set to 1 for right and -1 for left. So in the start method, in start, we store the rigid body 2D component in the jump variable. This let us to use PySix function later. And for the update method function runs every frame. First, it checks if the bird is on the ground using is grounded. And then we check the K input. If we press D, the bird moves to the right. If we press A, the bird moves to the left. And if the bird is ground and we press W, it jumps upward using add force. We also handle flipping the bird face. If moving right and not flip, we flip it. And if moving left and flip, we flip it back. And the flip character function refers the X scale to the mirror the sprite. This way, the bird always looks in the direction it's moving. And finally, after setting everything up, I click the play button to test the game. When I press W, the bird jumps up. And when I press A, it walks to the left. And when I press D, it walks to the right. As the bird moves, it automatically flips its face depending on the direction, left or right. Also, the bird cannot move through the house or fall through on the ground because of the colliders. And the jump only works when the bird is touching the ground, so we avoid floating or double jumping. Everything works smoothly and the birds react nicely to the player's input. Of my 2D Unity bird project, this project helped me learn how to use rigid body, detect ground, flip character direction, and move object based on user input. I hope this video was helpful and inspires you to try making your own simple 2D platformer using Unity. Thank you for watching.